Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Tuesday. Today is May the 19th. We just came from doing a consultation in Mableton for a YouTube follower that's been following me since October. Got him on the schedule for next Friday. Wood floors and countertops. We're going to be doing a clean and buff, and also his granite countertops. And one thing he told me that a lot of my clients are starting to tell me, Courtney, yeah, I think I'm gonna go with you because not only do they see me doing the work every day or almost every day, seeing that people are having me come back doing other work, other homes. So that really speaks volumes, guys. And speaking of that, that's what I'm doing today. So today we're out here in Southwest Atlanta. This is for Mr. Fishback. I did this house 3 years ago, and guys, honestly, the floors still look great. Then he moved from here, and he moved around the corner, like 2 blocks away from around here. And I had one of my sanding guys sand that floor. It was horrible. Someone tried to do it themselves, and they ruined them floors, man. So we had to end up sanding that floor and also UV cure. And then he had me come back and do the tile floors throughout the house. Now this house, he's renting this house out, and he's doing the floors just for his tenants. But again, guys, you're about to see what I'm talking about. These floors are not bad, and it was 3 years ago when we did these floors. So let me flip this around and show you what we got going today. All right, guys, so we're in the South Fulton area, right off of Camilton Road, literally maybe less than a mile from Greenbrier Mall. And this is Mr. Fishback. And again, these are the floors that we did 3 years ago. All right. Now, also too, he also told me, he said, Courtney, I might end up pulling the carpet because we also did the stairs and the wood floors. We did the whole house wood floors except down there. So there's actually, this wood is actually throughout the whole house. And he said, Courtney, I might end up pulling the carpet and then have you come back and do the bedrooms and the hallway and the stairs. But look at these floors, guys. And this was 3 years ago. This is 3 years ago. And he said, Courtney, I'm just doing it for my new tenant just to get some fresh coating on the floor. But the floors are not bad. Now, again, looking at these floors, I can tell that they were, before we started 3 years ago, they were sanded, and somebody did not know what they were doing with a drum sander. So there's a lot of deep shadow marks in this floor. So what me and T are going to do, we're just going to get this floor screened down, recoat it, and that's going to do it. So let us go ahead and get started and stay tuned.
Yeah! Southwest Atlanta. Guess who back at it again? 3 years later. Same client. Same floors. Still rocking with Truman. Ooh. Go, 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 go.
Guess who's back?
Hey.
Truman back.
One day Recoat, yeah, we brought that back.
Screen and recoat, make the hardwood snap.
Old floors tired, yeah, we brought them back.
Guess who's back? Truman back.
Southwest ATL, yeah, we all do that.
No forcing and we ain't doing all that.
Fresh, go clean, and the shine come back. Pulled up clean in the Truman van. Client said, man, y'all the truth again. 3 years later, still looking strong. Rent a house, money still coming long. Floor got dug from the tenants walking out above a hit hard. Got the whole room talking. Light screen down and the cold gon' flow while the base finish. Got the hardwood glow, no downtime. We ain't tearing up floors. No dust clouds flying through the doors. Just maintenance done a professional way. Back looking clean by the end of the day.
Guess who's back? Truman back.
One day we go, yeah, we brought that back.
Screen and recoat, make the hardwood snap.
Old floors tired, yeah, we brought them back.
Guess who's back? Truman back.
ATL swag when we steppin' like that. From the city to the suburbs, all across the map. When the flows look dead, yeah, we bring them back. They thought the flows was done.
Nah.
Just needed Truman touch.
Yeah.
Maintenance, money smart, don't replace it all. Screen and recoat, got them shining water wall. Real floor talk, this ain't YouTube cap. Real clients calling Truman right back. 3 whole years and he still locked in. That's what happened when the workmanship wins. Southwest side with the buffer machine. Fresh satin coat make the whole house clean. Tenants moved out, now the owner smile. Got the property ready in a little short while.
Guess who's back? Truman back.
One day recoat, yeah, we brought that back.
Screen and recoat, make the hardwood snap.
ATL know we be bringing life back.
That is gonna do it. Floors came out great, as you can see. Got a nice semi-gloss on these floors. All right, well, we are done. Actually, one of my colleagues, Sean Bishion, he's actually a national instructor, and he gave me some opportunities to do some wood floor maintenance courses and classes. That was really one of the highlights of my career in Vegas. I did about 3 years ago. So he's in town, wants to meet me at one of our local suppliers. I'm gonna try to catch him before 3 o'clock. And, but yeah, and also too, for my repeat clients that continue to use me, let me showcase my services. Mr. Fishbat, thank you so much. Because I'm starting to realize a lot of clients, I've had 2 clients just this week say that. Say, Courtney, I like to see that you are going back to people's homes and they're calling you back to do other projects. Just like Mr. Watson, who we did Saturday. He used me 5 years ago for a wax removal, had me come back Saturday and do a screen and recoat with UV Cure. Mr. Fishback, who we did 3 years ago, also did his other house that he moved into, not far from here, full sanding, and had me come back here and do a screen and recoat. So thank you guys so much, because that means a lot to me to let me know that I am doing my best, and also gives me the opportunity to showcase that, and it gives others the confidence, okay, in our services. All right, guys, thanks again for watching. See you in the next one.